Last week, I had created and added different kinds of weapons in the game. This week, I have been focused on adding an interaction and inventory system for those weapons. However, this week has made me realize that I might need some time to organize and optimize my code in order to make further development smoother. But before I get into the details for the same, let me give you a short introduction for my game. Hi, and welcome to Devlog 6 for Blacksmith Hero, my blacksmithing RPG game where you can craft weapons using materials that you get from a dungeon. First off, this week, I created a fresh interaction mechanic where the player can highlight and pick up the different weapons in the game. Then, I added an inventory system where you can see the items that you have picked up. I spent most of the time this week trying to create this system where you can keep track of the myriad of different items, item stats and item attributes that I am going to be putting into the game, so that I can create, store and use these items as needed. Due to the sheer number of items, I had to be clever as to how I represented each of them, separating them into different categories and mapping them out so that I can create a modular structure to help me easily add or remove different items or item attributes with ease, just by changing a few different values in my code. While I was at it, I also created a simple visual inventory system where I can add all of the weapons for testing purposes. I am also planning to add the other items slowly as the development of the game progresses. However, creating this chunk of code this week made me realize that my components are starting to get quite bloated, and I am starting to confuse myself on what is going on in there half the time, which is a common problem that developers can fall into. Because of this, I felt like I should take the next week off of making any significant progress in order to organize and structure my existing code and ensure that the game is ready to move on to the next stage of development. I wanted to know in the comments if I should take the week off from making the devlogs as well, since I am not going to be making any show-worthy or significant progress. Or would you like me to make a short video highlighting the backend code changes I made within the week? Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Highlight the major changes only, or make shorter videos, not shorts but just short 30-second or less videos, highlighting the small organization and code changes as well. Thank you for watching, and feel free to join my Discord if you would like to discuss anything on the game, and I will see you in the next devlog.